हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करेंगे आईसीआईसीआई बैंक Q1 रिजल्ट के बारे में। लेकिन उससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करते हैं आईसीआईसीआई बैंक Q1 रिजल्ट। प्रॉफिट राइज 50% ईयर ऑन ईयर टू ₹6,905 crore. Okay, and jumps 21%. Okay, let's move. ICICI Bank on Saturday reported a 50% year-on-year rise in profit after tax PAT at ₹6,905 crore compared with ₹4,616 crore in the same quarter last year. Okay. The bank said its net interest income NII rose 21% year-on-year to ₹13,210 crore compared with ₹10,936 crore in the same quarter last year. Net interest margin NIM for the quarter came in at 4.92%. The net interest margin NIM for the quarter came in at 4.01% compared with 4% in the March quarter and 3.89% in the year ago quarter. Non-interest income including treasury income climbed 25% year-on-year to ₹4,629 crore from ₹3,706 crore. Fee income was up 32% year-on-year at ₹4,243 crore from ₹3,219 crore. Fees from retail, rural business, banking and SME customers constitute about 79% of total fees, the lender said in a press release. Okay. Okay, provisions including provisions for tax plunge 60% year-on-year to ₹1,144 crore from ₹2,852 crore. Provisions for June quarter including contingency provisions of ₹1,050 crore made on a prudent basis. The bank said it saw treasury gain of ₹36 crore for the quarter compared with a gain of ₹290 crore in the year ago quarter. Okay, gross NPA ratio for the quarter declined to 3.41% in June quarter from 3.60% in March and 5.15% in the year ago quarter. In the June quarter, there were net additions of ₹382 crore to gross NPAs compared with net deletions of ₹489 crore in March quarter. Okay. In value terms, the gross NPA additions stood at ₹5,825 crore. Recoveries and upgrade of NPAs, including write-off and sale, came in at ₹5,443 crore compared with ₹4,693 crore in March quarter. The gross NPAs written off stood at ₹1,126 crore, while the provisioning coverage ratio on NPAs came in at 79.6%. Okay. Okay, meanwhile, on a consolidated basis, the bank reported a 55% jump in PAT at ₹7,385 crore from ₹4,763 crore year-on-year. Consolidated asset grew 13% year-on-year to ₹1,742. 1,17,42,777 crore from 15,36,731 crore in the year ago quarter. Okay, I repeat. Consolidated assets grew 13% year on year to rupees 17,42,777 crore from rupees 15,36,731 crore in the year ago quarter. Okay, the PAT of ICICI Prudential Life Insurance came in at rupees 156 crore against a loss of rupees 186 crore year on year. ICICI Lombard jumped 79.6% year on year to rupees 349 crore from rupees 194 crore. ICICI Securities report a PAT of rupees 274 crore against rupees 311 crore in the year ago quarter. The profit of ICICI Prudential Asset Management Company and came it at rupees 305 crore against rupees 380 crore year on year. Okay, in video ICICI Bank quarter 1 results, profit bets estimates jumps 50% year on year to rupees 6,905 crore. Okay, NII up 21%. Okay. Okay, so guys, ICICI Bank quarter 1 result, profit rise 50% year on year to rupees 6,905 crore and NII jumps 21%. ओके सो गाइस, आज के लिए बस इतना ही। कल फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए। नमस्कार, बोलो राधे राधे।